How to upload your own music on Audiomack. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is go Play Store and download Creator app. So it's the same app but only for creators. Audiomack Creator. Here we go. Install. And now we got an app for creators, so open it. The next step is sign in with the same email address you already signed up on Audiomack, and then you will end up on this page. So what you need to do next is click here on this button, and then you need to confirm your email address in order to upload. So just resend confirmation email, then just simply open the email and verify your email address by clicking on this button here. Open it with the Audiomack application. Thanks for verifying your email. Then go back to your Creators app. Just tap on refresh page. And here we go. You can upload song, EP, or some podcast. I'm gonna upload song here, so just tap on the song, tap next. Click on this plus. Allow creators to access your photos and media. And then just select your music you would like to upload. So I'm gonna upload this music here. That's it, then click on next. And here we're gonna name our music. So artist is One Click Later, song title is Downhill, and you can also write featuring if you have this music with someone, and producers, album, also genre. I'm gonna do it like DJ mix. And what you need to do is just click next step. Then you can add a caption, next step, and then you can choose if you want to go public, private, or you can just schedule on this. And here we go, your upload is complete. So now you can share this link with someone, or you can just tap on share and you can share through applications, and also you can view your song on Audiomack. And here we go, this is my song on Audiomack. Thank you for watching the video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one.